vector algebra. So I am explaining examples on JEE, CET and other competitive examinations here. So this is the first example here. Vector A bar, B bar for some real number x here. Then modulus of A bar plus B bar is equal to R is possible if 0 less than or equal to R less than or equal to root 3 by 2. Second option here, root 3 by 2 less than R less than or equal to 3 root 3 by 2. Third option 3 root 3 upon 2 less than or equal to R less than or is equal to 5 root of 3 by 2. And the fourth option is R greater than or equal to 5 into root 3 divided by 2. So first you find here A bar cross B bar here. So cross product of the given vectors here. Determinant of I is A here. A bar is this vector here. So 3, 2 and x here. B bar is 1, minus 1 and 1 here. Then expand the determinant here. So I into 2 1s are 2 here. Minus of x into minus 1 is a minus x. Minus plus x here. Then minus of z here. Minus j 3 1s are 3. Minus of 1 into x becomes a x here. Then a plus at k here. Plus k into negative 3 1s are 3. Minus of 3. Minus of 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. Therefore this is equal to I into 2 plus x. Minus of z into 3 minus of x here. Minus 3 minus 2 gives minus 5. Minus of 5k here. Even you can take this minus inside here. Minus becomes a plus. Then this can be written as a x minus 3 here. So right here x minus 3. Take a minus inside the bracket here. Then it's a modulus here. Modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to root of this x plus 2 whole square here. X plus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square plus minus of 5 square here. Then x plus 2 whole square is given by root of okay. So x square plus 4x plus 4 here. Then plus x minus 3 whole square is x square minus of 6x plus 9. Then plus and 5 square is 25. So right here plus 25. Therefore modulus of A bar cross B bar they already given here. This is a R here. Therefore R is equal to root of x square plus x square is 2x square here. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x here. Then 25 plus 9 here. 34 plus 4 becomes 38 here. So plus 38. Okay. Then here from first two terms here, take a 2 common factor here. So this is equal to root of 2 into x square minus of x here. Plus 38 keep as it is here. Plus 38. And make it as a perfect square here. Here x coefficient is 1 here. Half of 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4 here. Okay. X coefficient is 1 here. And its half is 1 by 2. Then it's a square here. It is a 1 upon 4 here. Adding and subtracting 1 by 4. Therefore root of so 4 2 into bracket x square minus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus 38 here. So plus 38. Okay. Then this is equal to root of 2 into bracket. Here these are three terms here. X square minus x plus 1 by 4 becomes x minus 1 by 2 square here. X minus of 1 upon 2 square here. Okay, 2 into x square minus x plus 1 by 4 is x minus 1 by 2 square. Then here minus sign is there. So here minus. Then this into this here. 2 by 4. 2 divided by 4 plus 38 here. Okay, plus 38. Therefore, this is equal to root of. So 2 into x minus of 1 upon 2 square. Then here it can cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are cancels here. Therefore, 2 is the LCM here. So 2 is the LCM. 38 into 2 here. 38 into 2. 76. 76 minus 1 becomes 75. So plus 75. So plus 75 by 2. Okay, 2 LCM here. 2 into 38 is 76. 76 minus 1 is 75. Okay. Therefore, here R is equal to this term here. Then when x value 1 upon 2, when x value 1 upon 2, this becomes a 0. Therefore, it gives a root of 75 by 2. Therefore, at x is equal to, x is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Then this becomes a 0. Therefore, minimum value of R. Therefore, R is a minimum at x is equal to 1 by 2 and its value is root of 75 by 2. Okay, therefore when x equal to 1 upon 2, this becomes a 0. Therefore here R is equal to root of 75 by 2. Therefore when x equal to 1 upon 2, R is a minimum at x equal to 1 by 2 and its value is root 75 by 2. Therefore R should be greater than or is equal to root of 75 divided by 12. So that is R is greater than or is equal to 5 into root of 3 divided by 12. Okay, 75 means 25 into 3. Square root of 25 is a 5 here. Root of 3 upon 12. Okay, therefore the fourth option is correct here. R is greater than or equal to 5 root 3 divided by 2. So a unit vector a cap makes an angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and theta belongs to open interval 0, pi with k. Then a value of theta is what here? Okay. So here alpha is equal to pi by 3 here. And beta is equal to pi by 4 and gamma is equal to theta here. Okay. You know the formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 here, because you know this result here, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, where L, M and N are the direction cosines here. Hence cos square alpha, L square means cos square alpha, M square means cos square beta, N square is cos square gamma here. Then alpha is pi by 3 here. Cos of pi by 3 is 1 upon 2 here. It's a square here. Then plus cos of pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. It's a square here. Then plus gamma is a theta here. Therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Hence cos square theta is equal to 1. Take 1 by 2 square right hand side here. 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4 here. So minus 1 by 4. 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. Take this one right hand side here. So minus of 1 upon 2. Hence 4 LCM here. Then 4 ones are 4. Minus 1. 2 twos are 4 here. 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here. So 1 divided by 4. So cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 4 means cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2 or minus 1 upon 2. Minus of 1 upon 2. Cos theta is 1 upon 2 means theta is equal to pi by 3 or and cos negative here. Hence theta is equal to pi minus of pi by 3. So 3 LCM here. 3 into pi becomes 2 pi. 3 into pi, 3 pi minus pi becomes 2 pi divided by 3. Therefore theta equal to pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. In this case, D is the correct option here. A bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k. B bar is I plus 2j minus 2k be two vectors. If a vector perpendicular to both the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar has the magnitude 12, then one such vector is. Okay, you know that suppose a bar is the one vector here and b bar is the other vector, then this is the vector here. It is a perpendicular to both a bar as well as a b bar and it gives a bar cross of b bar here. Therefore, in this case, here this is one vector here, a bar plus b bar, and this is the other vector, a bar minus of b bar here. So this is the vector here. This is the vector perpendicular to both a bar plus b bar as well as a bar minus b bar. Here, so this vector is given by a bar plus b bar cross of a bar minus of b bar here. Therefore, find its a unit vector here. N cap. N cap is the unit vector. You know that if a bar is the vector here, then its unit vector is given by a bar divided by modulus of a bar here. So this is a unit vector here. Yes, sir. Find this unit vector here. Then after that multiply 12 here. After that multiply 12, you will get a vector of magnitude 12 units here. First you find a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Then find a unit vector using this formula here. Then multiply 12 to that result here. You will get a vector of magnitude 12 units here. Very simple example here. Take a solution. First a bar plus b bar. Add the vectors here. 3i plus I becomes 4i. 2j plus 2j becomes 4j. And 2k cancels here. Then a bar minus of b bar here. So 3i minus I becomes 2i. 2j minus 2j cancels here. 2k plus 2k becomes 4k plus 4k. Then find its a cross product here. A bar plus b bar cross of a bar minus b bar. That is equal to determinant of I, j and k. Therefore 4, there is no k term here, j 0. Then 2, there is no j term, so 0. And right here this 4. Then the expand it here. I into 4 4s are 16 minus of 0 minus of j. 4 4s are 16 minus of 0 plus. Then right here this k. Then 0 4 2s are 8 here minus of 8. 0 minus of 8 here. Therefore this is 16i minus of 16j. Then minus of 8k. Then 8 is the common factor here. Therefore 2i minus 2j minus of k. It is the common factor. Then find its a modulus here. Consider this one as a p here. The vector p bar. Then it's a modulus here. Modulus of p bar is equal to, here it's a cross product taken as a p bar here. Therefore p bar is this vector, its a modulus is given by 8 into root of so 2 square is of 4 here. then plus minus 2 square is 4, then plus and minus 1 square is 1 here. Therefore 8 into 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 9. Square root of 9 is 3 here. Therefore 8 into 3. Therefore find its unit vector here. P cap. Okay. Here this vector is a P cap here. Unit vector here. So P cap is equal to what here? So P bar divided by modulus of P bar here. P bar is this vector here. So 8 into 2I minus 2j minus of k divided by 8 into 3 here. Here 8 and this 8 cancels here. Hence this is equal to 2I minus 2j minus k divided by 3 here. This is the unit vector. Unit vector means its length is 1 unit here. 1 unit. If you multiply 12, then you will get a vector of magnitude 12 units. Here we want vector of magnitude 12 units here. Therefore, vector of magnitude 12 units is equal to multiply by 12 here. So 12 into 2I minus 2j minus k divided by 3 here. 3 ones are 3 fours are cancels here. 4 into 2I minus 2j minus of k. Therefore 4 into 2I minus 2j minus k means second option here. 4 into 2I minus 2j minus k. So B is the correct option. So let A bar and B bar, C bar be three vectors such that the projection of B bar on A bar is A here. A means modulus of A bar. If A bar plus B bar is perpendicular to C bar, then the modulus of B bar is equal to what here? Okay. Here A bar is the one vector here, and B bar is one more vector here. Okay. Projection of B bar on A bar. So this modulus of A bar here, they already given. It's a length. Projection of B bar on the vector A bar is a modulus of A bar here, and A bar plus B bar. So here, this is the vector here. This is the vector A bar plus B bar is perpendicular to the vector C bar here. This is a vector C bar perpendicular to the vector A bar plus B bar. Then modulus of B bar is equal to what here? Okay, find here modulus of this vector B bar. Okay. Therefore, here you find just B1 and B2 values here. You have to find here B1 and B2 values. Then you can find the modulus here. Yes, sir. First you find here projection of B bar on A bar. Okay, take your solution. Projection of B bar on the vector A bar is equal to, the formula is A bar dot of B bar divided by modulus of A bar. This is the formula. Projection of B bar on A bar is A bar dot B bar upon modulus of A bar here. Therefore, this is equal to A bar dot B bar. It's a dot product here. It's a dot product here. 1 into B1. 1 into B1. Then plus 1 into B2. 1 into B2 plus root 2 into this root 2 here. Root 2 into root 2 here. Modulus of A bar means it's a modulus. Root of so 1 square plus 1 square plus root 2 square here. Root 2 square. Therefore, this is equal to 1 into B1 is B1. 1 into B2 is B2 here. Then root 2 into root 2 becomes 2 divided by, and 2 plus 1 plus 1 square root of 4 here. Square root of 4 is 2 here. Hence, projection of b bar a bar is this one here. And also they give the projection of the vector b bar on a bar is a bar, means vector modulus of a bar here. And projection of b bar on a bar is equal to modulus of a bar here. They are already given here. Therefore, b1 plus b2 plus 2 here. b1 plus b2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to modulus of a bar here. So just observe here. Modulus of a bar is this one and this is a 2 here. So it is a 2 only. Then take to right side here. 2 2s are 4. Take to right hand side here. Hence b1 plus b2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 minus 2 becomes 2 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Take equation number 1. Next, write a bar plus b bar here. A bar plus b bar is perpendicular to c bar. Okay. And okay. A bar plus b bar is equal to sum of these vectors here. 1 plus b1. 1 plus b1 I plus 1 plus b2. 1 plus b2 into z plus root 2 k plus root 2 k gives 2 root 2 k. Therefore, it is a 2 root 2 into k. This is a bar plus b bar. And a bar plus b bar is perpendicular to c bar here. So, a bar plus b bar is perpendicular to the vector c bar here. And you know that two vectors are perpendicular if dot product is 0. Hence, a bar plus b bar dot of c bar is equal to 0. Two vectors are perpendicular if dot product is 0. A bar plus b bar is this vector. C bar is this vector here. It's a dot product here. So this 1 plus b1 into 5. 1 plus b1 into 5 plus 1 plus b2 into 1. 1 plus b2 into 1 here. Then plus. Then 2 root 2 into root 2 here. 2 root 2 into root 2. That is equal to 0. Simplify now. So 5 into b1 becomes 5b1 here. Then 1 into b2 becomes b2. Then 5 ones are 5. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. So 5 plus 1. And root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4 here. Therefore, it gives 10 units here. Therefore, this equal to minus of 10. Take result number 2. Okay. Here 5 ones are 5. 1 into 1 becomes 1. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. And its product is 4 here. So therefore, it gives 10. Take 10 right hand side. It gives minus of 10 here. Next, solving these two equations here. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2 gives. Okay, I'm writing here. Equation 1 minus equation 2 gives. Subtracting here. So b1 minus 5b1 gives minus of 4b1 here. And b2 minus b2 cancels here. 2 minus of minus becomes plus 10. 2 plus 10 becomes 12 is equal to 12 here. 4 ones are 4 these are cancels here. So b1 is equal to minus 3. b1 equal to minus 3. Use that b1 is equal to minus 3 in the equation 1 here. Therefore from 1 here. So b1 value is a minus 3 here. Plus b2 is equal to 2 here. Take minus the right hand side here. Yes, b2 is equal to 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. It's a 5. Therefore, I use the b1 and b2 here. Therefore, b bar is equal to b1 is a minus 3 here, minus 3 and b2 is a 5 is j plus root 2 k. So plus root 2 into k. Here we want modulus of b bar here. So modulus of b bar is given by root of minus 3 square is 9 here, 5 square is 25 and 2 square root 2 square is 2 here. Is a 2. Therefore, root of 25 plus 9, 34 plus 2, 36 here. Square root of 36 is 6 here. Therefore, first option here is the correct option.